Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're having a no audio output device installed when attempting to access your speakers or headset on your Windows computer. So this should hopefully be a fairly straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing I would make sure is everything is hooked up correctly. So if you have external speakers, make sure they are plugged into the USB port properly, as well as making sure down in your system tray that your speaker icon is turned on. So once you've ensured both of those things are true, what you want to do now is open up the start menu and type in troubleshoot. Best result should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. Underneath additional troubleshooters, go ahead and left click on that and select where it says playing audio, find and fix problems with playing sound, and select run the troubleshooter. I'd recommend following along with whatever directions it provides on the screen here. And once that's done, close out of here, restart your computer and see if that has resolved the problem. A further step we could take would be to open up the start menu and type in device manager. Best result should come back with device manager listed right above control panel. Go ahead and left click on that. Double click on the audio inputs and outputs, and then for your speakers device, right click on it and select update driver. Select browse my computer for drivers, and then select let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. If you have a specific one, I recommend going with it. Otherwise, if you only had a generic listing, you can go with that one as well. But I usually recommend going with the manufacturer specific one, and then you want to select next. Once it's successfully updated, you can select close out of here, restart your computer, and then hopefully your issue should have been resolved. Another thing you can try, and this would be very specific for your speakers, is go onto the manufacturer's website or go onto Google and just type in your speakers or your laptop make and model and just type in drivers after it. So if you have a specific laptop, just type in that laptop make and model and then type in audio drivers. Or if you have external speakers, just take note of what type of speakers they are and what make they are, and just Google it and just say speaker name drivers after that, and then just put it into Google, search for it. And most manufacturers have automatic tools that will do most of the work for you. You just have to go out and Google it and search for it. So generally speaking, it really shouldn't be that difficult for you guys to do that, and I shouldn't have to show that. That's just an additional step for this tutorial. So anyway, do hope I was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.